Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody is having an absolute wonderful day today. My name is Potato Guy, and one of my favorite things is sodas. I love sodas from all countries, all strains of life. It's just one of the coolest things, and it makes the world go round. But anyway, today I'm going to be trying Cheerwine. Now, on the side, it says crafted cherry taste. What does that say? It says since 1917. Nutrition facts: 150 calories, 0 fat, 25 milligrams of sodium. Total carbs is 42. Total sugar is 42. Contains carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, phosphorus acid, natural and artificial flavors, caffeine, citric acid, sodium benzoate to protect flavor. Yummy. Red 40, my favorite. Best when cold. Manufactured by independent bottlers under the authority of California Beverage Corp. Salisbury, North Carolina. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Don't know what that is. Please recycle. No refill. 12 fluid ounces or 355 milliliters. Since 1917. Delicious. Alrighty, let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, now that sounds wonderful. Oh, yeah, it looks all like... Can't wait to get in there. No, I can't. Well, let me see if I can get it over here. It looks like all Dr. Pepper, but that's okay. But, I mean, it really lost its... Oh, shut up. There we go. Oh, absolutely. That is some of the best soda in the entire world. Oh. I seriously recommend that. I give this a solid 5 out of 5. Well, thank you guys all for watching, and have an absolute wonderful day today.